Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Duolingo. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Duolingo. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.